Welcome to this video where we're going to explore one of the most powerful tools in the Docker ecosystem, Docker Compose. If you're working with containerized applications, chances are you've encountered Docker Compose at some point. But have you ever wondered how to effectively manage and visualize the logs generated by your containers in this video? We'll dive into the world of Docker Compose logs and explore how to make sense of them using timestamps. As developers, we know that debugging and troubleshooting can be a daunting task, especially when working with distributed systems. That's why understanding how to work with Docker Compose logs is crucial for identifying issues and optimizing your application's performance. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp on how to use the T flag to visualize your container logs with timestamps. So let's start by asking ourselves, what are Docker Compose logs? Simply put, they are the output generated by your containers as they run. These logs can provide valuable insights into what's happening within your application, but they can also be overwhelming if not managed properly. When you run Docker Compose up, you might have noticed that the output is a jumbled mix of log messages from different containers. This is where the T flag comes in handy. By adding this flag to your command, you are telling Docker Compose to include timestamps in the logs. Yeah, this simple addition can make a huge difference in how you visualize and understand what's happening within your application. Let's break it down further. When you use Docker Compose logs T, each log message is prefixed with a timestamp that indicates when the event occurred. This allows you to see the sequence of events unfold as your containers interact with each other. By analyzing these timestamps, you can identify patterns and correlations between different components of your application. For example, imagine you're running an e-commerce platform consisting of multiple microservices. You notice that every time a customer places an order, there is a delay in processing the payment. By examining the logs with timestamps, you might discover that the issue lies in the communication between the payment gateway and the order processing service. This insight would be impossible to gain without the context provided by the timestamps. To recap, here are the essential points to remember about Docker Compose logs with timestamps. The T flag is used to include timestamps in Docker Compose logs. Timestamps provide valuable context for understanding the sequence of events within your application. By analyzing timestamps, you can identify patterns and correlations between different components of your application. In Docker Compose logs with timestamps are a powerful tool for debugging and troubleshooting containerized applications. By including timestamps in your logs, you gain a deeper understanding of what's happening within your application, making it easier to identify issues and optimize performance. If you have any questions or would like to share your own experiences working with Docker Compose logs, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on containerization and DevOps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.